Good morning students. Myself Khushi Dadij, your English teacher, and today we will start. Earlier we have completed our adjective topic. Now today we will start degree of adjective. As you can see here, degree of adjective. This is part of adjective only. Okay. Now if you can see here, there are 3 degrees of adjective. What are 3 degrees of adjective? Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. 3 degrees are there. Okay. Here you can see positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. When there is positive degree, words are like this: wise, pretty, able, strong. But when we come to comparative degree, it is wiser, prettier, abler and stronger. Means what we have used in comparative degree? ER with the main word, with the root word we have used ER. Okay. But after coming to superlative degree, we use EST with the root word. Means the wise become wisest, pretty becomes prettiest, able become ablest, stronger becomes strongest. Means in comparative degree you have to use ER. In superlative degree you have to use EST. Okay, accordingly. Comparative degree means there is comparison between two things. If you can see here, a picture is there. Strong. This is a strong person. Stronger. He is stronger. Strong is positive. Stronger is comparative. Means we have used here ER with the root word and EST with the superlative. That is strongest. Now, next if you see, studying the following sentence. If you see here, 3 sentences has been written. He is smart boy. Means here if you can see the word smart, neither ER is used nor EST is used. That time it is positive sentence. Okay. You are smarter than Raman. Means you are compared to Raman. That time it is comparative. Comparison word. Comparative word, you know there is a comparison. So for comparative there is always a comparison between two things. Means दोनों के बीच comparison हो रहा है. That's why smarter is used. Okay. Or always remember in comparative degree than word is used. Which word? Than. THAN. Than word is used. Okay. Now come to superlative degree. Superlative degree means one who is best in everything. जो हमेशा सबसे बेस्ट है, that is super. Super we know from super word only we can know कि the thing which is best. Okay. Superlative. John is the smartest of all. सबसे smart है. Here if you can see when the word EST word is used and उसके पहले जब the का use होता है immediately before the superlative word, when there is the is there, that time you connect superlative degree की use होगी. जब सेंटेंस में than होगा comparative degree use होगी. And when the blank होगा यहाँ पर and if you see the before it, then immediately you can know that superlative degree will be used. Positive degree, it does not refer to any comparison. No comparison is there. It shows the simple quality. Simple quality is shown in this as it is a pretty sight. बहुत ही अच्छी sight है. It is a pretty sight. Simple sentence is there. Okay. In positive degree. Comparative degree, it is used when two person or things are compared. मैंने आपको बोला था ना. I told you earlier also that is in comparative degree comparison is there. So when two person or things are compared, comparative degree is used. Hanif is wiser than Khan. Dan is used here. You can see मैंने बोला था comparative degree में Dan का use होगा. Dan is used after what? Comparative word. Okay. You are prettier than your sister. Here also Dan is used. Okay. Means comparative degree में Dan is always used. Superlative degree. Now come to superlative degree. Superlative degree, it is used when two or more person of things are compared. दो या दो से ज्यादा चीजें जब कंपेयर की जाती है, that time superlative degree means सबसे बेस्ट जिसको बताया जाता है, that is superlative degree. For example, Pandit Nehru was wisest man of India. of India, if you can say, Pandit Nehru was the wisest. Wisest, est is used. If you can see the word, before it the is used. Here you can see, no? So always before that word the is always used. Napoleon was greatest general of his day. Napoleon was the greatest general. If you can see great, here est is used. Means it is what? Superlative degree. Now this is all about positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. For this I will give you a sheet. You have to do that as your homework. Okay. Tomorrow we will continue with the same, and today this is all about our today's work. Thank you. Keep it up.